Falling doesn't have to be an inevitable part of growing older, and small changes can make such a big difference. Here are some simple tips to help you stay safe and enjoy life this winter. Get active and stay strong and healthy. Join an activity group. Keep check on your medicines and your eyesight. Check your home for safety hazards. Simple adaptations on stairs, steps, and in bathrooms can prevent falls. Make sure your feet are healthy, toenails cut, and wear supportive footwear. Talk to someone today. Small changes can make a big difference. Call us now or go online for more tips and information on how to stay safe.